This is a full sales dashboard. KPI cards, a monthly trend chart, and it even flags the region that's in trouble, automatically. I didn't write a single formula from memory. I built the whole thing by talking to ChatGPT, and in the next few minutes I'll build it again in front of you, step by step. If you can describe what you want, you can build this. Here's what we start with. A raw sales export. Order dates, products, regions, amounts. 600 rows of nothing. No plugin, no paid Copilot. Just Excel or Google Sheets and the free ChatGPT. Same loop as always. Copy, ask, paste back. Let's build. Step 1. And this is the step everyone skips. Don't build anything yet. Ask ChatGPT what to build. Paste in 10 sample rows and say, here's my sales data. Design a one-page dashboard for it. What should it show and where? And it hands you the blueprint. 4 KPI cards on top, a monthly trend chart in the middle, a region breakdown beside it, and an automatic alert for anything declining. You just got a dashboard designer for free. Now we build it, piece by piece. Step 2. The KPI cards. Total revenue, orders, average order value, and growth versus last month. Don't remember the formulas? Neither do I. Ask, give me the exact Excel formulas for these 4 KPIs from my data in columns A to D. It returns all 4, ready to paste. Sum, count, average, and the month-over-month one you'd never write by hand. Paste them in, and the top row of the dashboard lights up. Step 3. Every chart needs a summary table behind it. So ask, build me a table of total sales by month for each region, using SUMIFS. One formula comes back. You paste it once, drag it across, and the whole table fills itself in. That grid right there, that's the engine of the dashboard. Step 4. The chart. Ask ChatGPT which chart actually fits. What's the best chart for monthly sales by region, and give me the exact steps to insert it. It says clustered columns, tells you exactly where to click, and 30 seconds later, your numbers are a picture. West climbing, east sliding. You can see the story now. Step 5, my favorite. Make the dashboard watch the data for you. Tell ChatGPT, give me a conditional formatting rule that highlights any region whose sales dropped 2 months in a row. Paste the rule in, and boom, east turns red. Nobody had to notice the problem. The sheet noticed it for you. And that's the whole dashboard. Designed, calculated, charted, and self-alerting. One conversation. 0 formulas written by hand. The next time someone spends a weekend on this, you can do it before your coffee goes cold. Every prompt I used is in the description, in order, free. Copy, paste, build. The AI voice you're hearing is 11 Labs, that's linked below too. And subscribe, because next time I'm testing ChatGPT against Microsoft's own Copilot inside Excel, the one you pay for to see which one actually wins, you don't want to miss that one. See you there.